In this video, we're going to talk about what happens after you apply for a Python job, the shortlisting process. A lot of people think that once you hit submit, it's just a waiting game. But behind the scenes, companies are following a clear step-by-step process to decide who makes it to the interview stage. Let's walk through how it works.
Hi, I am Imran Afzal. I make learning technology easy, even for beginners in IT. So I have over 25 years of experience in Linux administration, Windows, virtualization, and many more. I have taught millions of students worldwide.
So you'll know what to expect and how to be ready at every step. Step 1, resume screening. As soon as you apply, your resume goes through one of two paths. It's either reviewed by a recruiter or someone in HR, or scanned automatically by an applicant tracking system, also known as an ATS. In both cases, they're looking for matches, key skills, job titles, tools, and keywords. If your resume doesn't show what they're looking for, it may never move forward. Quick tip, pull keywords directly from the job description. If the listing mentions a Python and Flask, and you have used those, make sure they're right there on your resume. Step 2, getting shortlisted. If your resume passes the first screen, it goes into a shortlist, a smaller group of candidates who seem like a good match. This is usually when the hiring manager or technical lead takes a look. They're deciding if it's worth scheduling an interview. Quick tip, keep your resume clean and easy to scan. Highlight your Python skills, include links to your GitHub, and showcase any certifications or real world projects you've done. Step 3, first contact. Once you're shortlisted, you may hear back in a few different ways. It could be a call or email from a recruiter, a message asking when you're available for a quick screening, or sometimes a small technical quiz or challenge to complete before the interview. Quick tip, check your inbox regularly and don't forget to peek at your spam or promotions folder. Responding quickly shows that you are reliable and interested. Step 4, rejection or moving forward. Now, here's the reality. Sometimes, if you're not selected, you may not hear anything at all. It's not personal, it's just common in many hiring processes. But if you do move forward, you'll usually be invited to a phone interview or asked to complete a coding challenge. Quick tip, keep applying to other jobs, even if one seems promising. Don't put all your hopes into one role. Keep the momentum going. A few bonus tips to help you stand out. Make sure your LinkedIn and resume tell the same story. Include project outcomes like automated weekly reports, saved 5 hours per week. If you're early in your career, try to keep your resume to one page. Clear, consistent, and results focused resumes go further. Final thoughts. Getting shortlisted is a big deal. It means your resume made it through the first round of filters, and that's a great sign. But it's just the beginning.
Hey, if you found this tip helpful, then please show some support by hitting that like and subscribe button. Also, let us know what would you like to learn next.